Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And currently right now it's like a snowstorm across the Midwest. I live in Michigan, so outside is so bad right now. It's so cold and so windy. And I just remember actually last night that one of my bucket lists is to jump into a snow naked. So what's a perfect way to do it other than in a snowstorm? And right now it's currently like 6, 7 in the morning, so it's perfect. I'm just gonna jump into the snow right away and wake myself up and go shower and start my day. Today is Christmas Eve day actually, so yeah, I need to shower, but before I do that I need to check this off my bucket list, which is to jump into the snow naked. I'm not gonna do completely naked. I'm gonna do it in my underwear because you know I can't. But look, it doesn't look that bad on camera, but outside is so windy. Ooh. Man, look at all that present though. Alright, it's so cold. Yo, dude, you gonna do it too or not? No, I know you're gonna back out, bro. Bro, who plowing the snow at this time right now? Damn. Oh well. Oh, he's plowing the snow. Justin's plowing the snow, bro. It's so cold right now. Early in the morning. This guy's not even awake yet. Look at him. Yo. Show me my fit real quick. I'm just gonna do it, bro. I don't give a fuck. You wanna do it too or not? I knew it. So he said he was gonna do it too. Now
it's too early for me.
Bro, that's how you wake up. I'm gonna try not to panic. I'm gonna try to stay there for at least like 20 seconds maybe. A good 20 seconds. Okay. Bro. Damn. Ready? Come on. Yo! How am I gonna do it? Jump like that?
Go right now.
Yo, my it's freezing. I don't know how I can stay in there for like 20 seconds.
You gotta get hypothermia. Go right now.
Can you see good?
Hmm?
Make sure
Not
it's not
hypothermia, it's frostbite.
Alright, come on. Go out there. Cause it's gonna get dark right now. Fuck it. Ready? Oh shit, my. Oh, fuck. Wait, cannonball. Ah, shit. Alright, I'm good.
Yo!
Close the door. My dick was out, bro. I swear. When I jumped it. Look, I got the camera. that's it. Jump in the snow naked on my bucket list checked. Oh, I can't even feel my foot. Imagine it's not recording music.
It is recording.